Today I'll show you how to install the WWE Production ReShade Mod to make WWE 2K25 look more realistic. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. After that, it start downloads. And select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, and this is the configuration settings. Now just minimize this and open up new tab and search reshade. Press enter. Select the official site. Select the download option and select download reshade with the full add-on support. After the download done, click on it and install. Select the OK option. Select the browse option and you just need to navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, select the game application and select open option and select next. Select DirectX 11, 10, 12 and select next. Select here browse option and navigate to the downloads folder and select the configuration file we downloaded. Select the file and select open option and now select next option. Select the skip option and select the finish. Successfully installed ReShade. Launch the game. And as you can see, the ReShade is now successfully installed. Just press the home key to start the tutorial and select the continue option. Again continue and go to settings. Effect toggle key, set a key you like. I'm gonna set 1 and then go back to home and select the continue option and select finish and select reload option. Now just press the toggle key and as you can see this is the normal look. Effects are disabled. Press 1 to enable them again. Now I show you guys in game. To close this panel, just press the home key and just gonna enter this game. After you are in the game, just press the home key and just press the toggle key and the effect will be toggle. And as you can see, this is what looks after the result. We are going to before results, just pressing the one key and this is before and this is after. And that's how it looks like, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.